Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a headband. So for that we're going to use a yarn which is 100% acrylic yarn and it's yellow in color. We're using a hook and I'm using 3mm hook, as you can see there. We're also using a scissor for cutting our yarn, and we're also using a measuring tape. You have to measure your head for that. And then we also use a dunny needle to weave in the ends of our project. So let's begin. We begin with a slip knot. We're doing a slip knot. After that we're making chains, and the chains have to be equivalent to your measurement that you took. Mine was 65, so let's make the chain. I'm making 65 chain. You're also gonna make the chain as your hair is. So let's make the chains. At the end of our chains we will have to stretch your yarn so that it doesn't turn out, and then insert the hook. We are doing a half double crochet, pull up the loop and pull all the three at once, and then pull over, insert the hook into the next one, pull the yarn, pull one out, and again pull all the three out. Do the same, insert inside the hook, pull yarn through, pull all three out. You repeat the same again. You insert inside the hook, you pull over one, and then you pull out three. You repeat again, you insert inside, and then you yarn over, pull over, and then pull all three at the same time. And then you also do that again. You put the yarn over, put inside, pull over one, and then put all three at once. Yarn over, inside, insert inside, pull over, and put all the three inside. And then you have to do all the chains until you reach the end of the thing. And as we are at the end of that, we're going to do the last chain. You yarn over, you insert into that last chain, you pull over, and then pull over all the three yarn, and then you're gonna chain two. After you chaining two, you turn your work. After you turn your work, you see the stitches that you see you're gonna need on top of the chains. That's where we're going to at the back loop. It's called the back loop. That's where we're going to work at. You yarn over, go at the back loop of the first chain, inside your hook, pull out, and then pull all three at the same time. You're gonna do the same again. Go inside the back loop, pull inside, and pull over, put over all three at the same time. Yarn over, and then inside the loop, and then pull over. As you see, pull over, and then pull over all three. Yarn over, inside the next chain, and then pull over the yarn and pull over all through. Yarn over. So it's a repetition, guys, that you're going to do here so that you know what is happening. You yarn over, you put inside the back loop, and then you pull out, and then you pull over all three. Yarn over, insert into the back loop, you pull out, and then you pull all three. You yarn over, and then you're gonna do that, guys. You see, you have to make sure that your thing is straightened. You're going to do that, and then I will meet you at the end of the second chain there that we did. I'll meet you there at the end. So here we are at the end, and as we are at the end, guys, you're gonna do the last one. You yarn over, insert the loop, and then we pull over. Pull all three over at the same time. You chain two. After we chain two, you're gonna turn your work. We're going to do the same, guys. We're going to repeat the same inside the back loop again. Yarn over, insert the very first loop, stitch and then yarn, pull through and pull all through at the same time. Yarn over, inside the loop, and then pull all through at the same time. So it's a repetition, guys. You're going to repeat this stitch until you get to the end of the row. So you yarn over and you pull through, you insert inside the back loop. And remember, guys, we're working only at the back loop, not the front loop, but the back loop. So it's a repetition, guys. You're going to repeat this until you get to the end of the row. So I will meet you at the end of the row. So as we are there at the end of the row, guys, you're going to yarn over, insert the last chain, and then pull over, and then pull over all at once, and then we're gonna make the second chain, and then we turn our work again. As we turn our work, we're still gonna repeat the very same method that we are using. We're still using the back loop. You insert, you yarn over, insert into the back loop, pull over, and pull over 3 at the same time. It's called the double half crochet. So you yarn over, insert the loop, pull over, and pull over the thing. So you're going to do that until you reach the end of your desired. When you are at the corner there, you're going to reach the desired length. Here is mine. As you can see, I made 11 chains. I made 11 rows. Sorry to say that. You make the length that you wanted. So you're going to turn and fold over. As you fold over your work, you're going to hold the left hand side together and the right hand side together, and then you're going to join them together half by half. You see, as you join in them half by half, you're going to make sure that each end is meeting the other end, and then you're going to take your darning needle, and as you take your darning needle, you're going to insert it, and then you're going to make sure that you tighten your work using the darning needle. You sew that together. You're going to make some few stitches to sew it together. As you see, you sew it together. I'm sewing it together. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments that you would like to say or do, please do comment down below so that we know how to grow. And as well, please do share our video and like it. So we're going to do that and make sure that your work is very tidy. As you can see, I'm weaving in the ends and making sure that my work is tidy and everything is gonna be perfect, so that there's no loophole where you can see the other thing that is not needed. So there I'm finishing the work, and there we go. There is your headband finished. It's amazing.